While it was by far the hardest thing I've ever done, that is also part of the beauty of the reward, having seen what I was actually capable of. Sharing skills for living in the wilderness, not just surviving, is one of my passions. Doing more with less and recognizing all of the gifts we have before us to live the lives we dream of is so key. When I first heard that I was for sure going to be on the Alone show, a whirlwind of preparations was just overtaking my mind, and I was very, very careful in my gear selection. I knew my life would depend upon it. Leaving behind a fixed blade knife and bringing just my Leatherman, I was able to process all of the game, do woodworking projects, shelter building projects, everything I needed was totally possible with the tools on the Leatherman. The Alone Frozen season was designed to be the most grueling Alone challenge ever. I still was surprised by how hard it was. We were dropped over a month later than most seasons in far more challenging conditions. I was busy every second of every day just trying to get my basic needs met. It was infinitely harder than any of us were expecting or prepared for. So I'm incredibly proud to have persevered, to be the first woman to have won an Alone season. It's really gratifying to have won it. Skills and practices for connecting with the natural world absolutely changes people's lives. That's what feeds me and keeps me going. If I can get through to everyone to take on challenges and believe that they are perfectly capable, then I will consider my time on Alone and my work in the world to have been a success.